Hello, today we're talking about how to set up RWA database. So when you run this RWA database, you will this option you can log in automatically, or you can log in manually. Currently, I set up this login as admin automatically. So when you run the program, you will show screen like this. This button really depends your application. It may not the same. And also the database may not same as well, because depends how many fields you need. In this case, there's only car ID, product, customer, and truck ID. The first thing in this setup, we need to enter the truck ID, customer ID, product, and car ID. The first, we need to enter the truck ID. For example, right now I use 111 as truck ID. If it's not exist, it will show you. You want to add, press yes. Then you need to enter your description, this truck name. You can use whatever you need. Put text 111. The next is tail method. Depends on how you need to run this truck. You need to run truck in and truck out. Let's need two-way means. Finish one truck in, or you can use store tail. For store tail, there have many options. In this case, I only use last tail. Then go to tail weight. You can enter your tail weight. For example, 10,000. Then press save. Then this transaction this truck ID saved. You could see how many of there. Right now is 111. You can check again. Description, last tail, use store tail, and tail weight is 10,000. The next is product ID. Currently there are two in the list. One is called sand, one is called minus inch, 6-inch minus. Or you can choose ID and press edit to double check or change this description. For example, right now I enter 11, press add edit. Do you want to add? Yes. Then you need enter, for example, 5 cent. The other option, in this case, do you need this product in way in list or way out list? In mean you receive the material. Out mean you ship material out. So in this case, there's only ship them out, ship the material out. So we choose allow out. The next few section is about the price. You can use, if this only allow, only use ship material, and also you need a standard price for all customer, then you can enter this standard price over there. Press active, enter the price, for example, $1, and press save. But if you have many customers, and on the customer there's many jobs, each job will have different price, then you don't have to set over there. You need to set up in customer database. So we review this again. Customer product ID, you need name, make sure that is allow out in this case. Then you just save and close it. the next step is customer. For example, we will use 1. How many we have? Oh, we have 2. Okay, so for example, we use 10 as product customer ID. Yes, then you can enter the name, whatever, test 1. You don't have to enter all the information. That information only for your reference. The next is, then you press save these tickets, and if you have few jobs under this customer, you just press job ID, then enter your job ID. For example, we can use 1111 as new job ID. Press save. You could enter description for this job. For example, 111. Okay. The other information is optional. You could enter or don't need. If you don't need, press save. The other important thing is price. If you have a price just for this job under this customer, then press go to here, add a new price to, for example, which material, and also this is for ship out. Then job ID, the one we just entered, this one, and this is the special price, so maybe 0.95. Save it. Close. You could double check. Special price is for customer 10. Oh, the one we just entered. Oh yeah, it's 10. Okay, so you can see this is customer ID 1, name is test 1, and job is 1111. And also, this job has a special price. Compared to this, you see, this job has a special price. Close this. The last thing is you need to enter your car ID. For example, if we have a car is for 7500, press edit, yes. Then you can put name. I always use car ID as car name, and also you need to choose which truck use this car. So for example, we use 111 for this car, and also double check this action. So when you swipe the car, what do you want to do? In this case is 9, 10, and 9. That is called our attendant. Has been set up already. Don't need. You just need to double check. In action should be 9:10. Out action should be 9:20. That has been set up by our software. You don't need to touch this. Just double check. Also, in the default value, this is important. You need choose what for this car. So for example, right now this car has only for customer 10, and also only for product 19, only for the job 1, 2, 3. So this means the truck driver will swipe the car. He doesn't need enter all the information or any information, because these 3 have been set up. Also, if you leave this as blank, for example like this, the truck driver need enter truck job ID. Or if you leave this as empty, then he need enter product ID and the job ID. So this really up to your requirement. Also, this comment we are printing on the tickets. Mostly you could put delivery instruction to house 101, for example like this. After done this, press save value, save it, close, and close. Then everything set up. One truck driver on scale, he only need to swipe the car and everything. The system will catch the weight, save transaction, print tickets. So that is we call automatically. The other way to do these tickets, you could weigh tickets manually if you have an operator here. So if you have a weight show on the scale, for example, and press weigh in button, you have a deliver weight, enter 111. No, I don't know. If you enter, then you need to enter your information and to house 111. Next. Oh, the price is not right. This price not right. So maybe we can choose truck 1, product this. Okay. So it will pop up the window, show the weight. If you want to take the weight, you will take the weight. Because the reason because the weight is lower than tail weight. Okay, we'll try again. Okay, try again. One customer is this. Customer is next. Take a weight. Save the transaction. You wish ask you. Okay, put it in the hold. We'll print the tickets.